Hello YouTube, I'm Monster1970, and in this box I have a set of Cobra pipes for my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tourer. Let's take a look to see what's in the box. These are the Cobra Speedster longs for the Vstar 1300 Tourer from a 07 to a 2017. Part number is 2926T, and I picked these up from Dennis Kirk. Looks like some packaging material in here. What do we got here? We have a kit. That is Cobra part number 998586T. A lot of packaging material in here. Looks like I have the wrong end. Okay, let's get all this packaging material out from the opposite end and get the pipes out. There's one. I'm going to lay that out of the way. Packaging material. Sure, it must have been a mounting bracket, because this is a plate, definitely. Feels like there's two of them in here. There. The other one. Set that over here. Anything else in here? I think that was it. Full packaging material. That's everything that's in the box. Let's see if I can get this. I need a pair of cutters. I have to cut this off carefully. I've got some hardware in here. 6016P, whatever that is. That is a bracket. It's a mess. It's out of the way. There are the pipes. Big guard. Pretty nice. And I would presume there's probably a guard in this other container with a other pipe. Let's open this up. See what's in here. that is the other pipe with the guard. There's the pipe. And there's the guard for it. So now I'll have to bring the bike up on the lift, see what I need to do to take the old pipes off and put these new ones on.